Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to discuss the topic from complex analysis UPSC asks 10 marks question 2024. Here is a given question. If W is equal to Fz is an analytic function of Z, then so that del 2 upon del x square plus del 2 upon del y square log mod of f dash z is equal to 0. Let's start the solution. First we take let x is equal to z plus z bar by 2 and y is equal to z minus z bar by 2y. On multiplying numerator and denominator with I, this becomes minus of I by 2 z minus z bar. From here, using chain rule, del upon del z is written as del upon del x to del x upon del z plus del upon del y into del y upon del z. From here, del upon del x and del x by del z is finding from here, that is del x upon del z is 1 by 2 and del upon del y and del y upon del z. From here calculate del y upon del z, that is del z, that is minus of I by 2. On simplification, 1 by 2 is common, it is del upon del x minus of I del upon del y. This is equation 1. With the same procedure, del y del z bar, using chain rule, del upon del x into del x upon del z bar plus del upon del y and del y upon del z bar. From here, del y del x is written and del x by del z bar from here, that is also 1 by 2 and plus del upon del y and del y upon del z bar. Del y upon del z bar, that is here from minus 1 minus I by 2, that is plus I by 2. On simplification, 1 by 2 is common, del y del x plus I del upon del y. This is equation 2. On multiplication, equation 1 and 2, that is equation 1 into equation 2, we get the from here del 2 upon del z and del z bar, and from here 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 and del up in the bracket del upon del x minus I del upon del y, and here del by del x, del upon del x plus I del upon del y. From here, using the formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Using this formula, that is del 2 upon del x square minus of del 2 upon del y square, and I is also present, that is I square. That is I square is value is minus of 1. From here using formula minus plus, that is del 2 upon del y square. On arranging, that is del 2 upon del x square plus del 2 upon del y square is equal to, on cross multiplication, that is 4 del 2 upon del z and del z bar. Using the given condition, that is taking left hand side, del 2 upon del x square plus del 2 upon del y square log of mod f dash z is equal to z. We have to prove if this function is equal to 0. Then from this is equation third. From here, del 2 upon del x square plus del 2 upon del y square is equal to 4 del 2 upon del z, and del z bar is putting here. That is 4 del 2 upon del z and del z bar, and log mod of fz is written as 1 by 2 log mod of f dash z का whole square. On solving with the property of log, we get the log f dash z. From here, with the property of log, 1 by 2 is coming here, 1 by 2 and 2 is cancelled out, we get the same result. We know in the complex quantity, that is z square is written as z into z bar. From here, f dash z is written f dash z का whole square, that is written as f dash z and f dash z bar, and 2 2s are 4, cancel out, that is 2 del 2 upon del z and del z bar. From here, log f dash z into f dash z bar. Using here the log property, log m into n, that is log m plus n, 2 del 2 upon del z and del z bar. Here log f dash z plus log f dash z bar. From here, 2 is here, and on multiplication in the bracket, that is del upon del z using, and del upon del z bar is already present, that is on differentiation, that is log of z is f dash z and the function is f double dash z. From here, on multiplication, that is del upon del z is present, and differentiation with respect to z bar, that is f dash z bar and f double dash z bar. Again, 2 on differentiating with respect to z bar, here not a function, f is not a function of z bar, so differentiation of this function is 0. And also del upon del z, here is not the f double dash is function of z, that is here also from 0. We get del 2 upon del x square plus del 2 upon del y square log mod of f dash z is equal to 0. Hence proved. So fz is analytic and f dash z is also analytic. This is the required solution in 10 marks question UPSC asked in 2024 in paper 2. Thank you class.